Prepare the cassette toilet. To prepare the cassette toilet, first close the gate on the toilet. Then open the service lid from outside and pull the cassette out with the gate closed. Place the cassette vertically so that the drain nozzle points up. Open the filler neck and put a suitable sanitary agent with the specified dosage into the tank. After that, fill in a bit of water until the floor of the cassette is completely covered. Then, screw the drain nozzle closed and fold it up and push the cassette back into its compartment. Make sure that you secure the cassette with the fixing bracket before you close the service lid.